So this is what the buttons inside the float pod look like. And what you'll see is there's a silver box. The silver box is actually an intercom to the front desk. And so it doesn't often get used, but it's nice to know that we do have the pod that's got an intercom. If you're a little bit wary or uncertain about your float experience, it may be better to use the float pod if you'd like to have that intercom option. Next to it is a button that sticks out, and this one controls the lights. So it'll turn the lights in the pod off, and it'll also turn them to a different color if you want to switch color. And then next to that is an inset button, and that actually mutes the music if the music is playing in your float. And so what we find is that people don't usually use the mute button because we'll turn the music off for you if you decide you want the music to go off. But if you do by accident mute the music or decide to mute the music, what we will do is play the music at the end of the session through the intercom as a way to wake you back up and signal the end of the session.